Mm-hmm.
Cool. Here they come. Here comes Byron. Come on, TJ.
Nice work, Ben.
Good job. Woo! Get it, Byron. Good job, guys. Get it, Byron. Come on, Dan. My two boys.
All right.
Good job, Casey.
Let's go, David. Come on, Kyle.
Oh, Casey. Casey, girl in the lead.
Sweet.
Good job. Casey! Get it, girl. Come on, Maggie. Come on, Tiffany. Got it, girl.
Come on, Miranda. Let's go, baby. Nice.
30 seconds.
Oh, yeah. Too sexy, Mark. Too sexy. Come on, Nikki. Let's move it. Let's go, partner.
Good job.
Do it, Courtney. Run, baby. Cindy.
Oh.
Looking good, Lewis. Come on, Pete. Let's go, baby.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay. You got it, girl. Come on, girl. Good job. Nice work. See, you're not last. Keep going, girl.
Let's go, Tess.
Good job, girl.
Work it,
Sit up.
Terry. Work it.
Sit up.
I see you, Miss Pompey.
Hey, Lindsay.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Lunch accounts for me, too.
I know.
All right. Headband is awesome.
Good work, guys. You're doing great, buddy. Woo! Remember our first year? I got a hurt knee. Yes, I want you to be with me. Your hurt shoulder.
Nice work, Jaquise.
Keep it up, guys. Good work.